Welcome back to Money Finder. Today we will discuss about Unlock Amazon KDP Success, practical tips for finding best-selling niches. Keyword research. Use tools like KDP Rocket, Publisher Rocket, or Amazon's own search bar to identify relevant keywords in your niche. This helps you understand what readers are searching for. Analyze competitors. Explore top books in your niche. Analyze their covers, titles, and reviews. Identify patterns and gaps that you can leverage in your own unique way. Check bestsellers lists. Regularly check Amazon's bestsellers lists in different categories. This gives you insights into trending topics and high-demand genres. Customer reviews. Dive into customer reviews of popular books. Look for common praise and criticism. Address the gaps and concerns in your book to meet readers' expectations. Explore sub-niches. Drill down into sub-niches within your broader category. These niches might have less competition, allowing your book to stand out more easily. Monitor trends. Keep an eye on industry trends, both within and outside of Amazon. Social media, book clubs, and literary events can provide clues about emerging interests. Utilize Google Trends. Explore Google Trends to identify topics that are gaining popularity. This can help you align your book with broader cultural interests. Engage with readers. Join forums, social media groups, or book clubs related to your niche. Engage with readers to understand their preferences and pain points. Seasonal considerations. Some niches have seasonal fluctuations. Adjust your publishing schedule to coincide with peak seasons for your chosen niche. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment. If a niche doesn't perform as expected, analyze the results and iterate. Flexibility is key to long-term success.